We are pleased to show you the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.